Have you ever wondered which Asian countries might open their arms widest to Americans in 2025? What factors like friendly locals, easy visas, or vibrant cultures could spark that welcome? Let's explore this together through thoughtful questions and shared reasoning, counting down from 10 to 1. I'll guide you to discover insights step by step. Stay curious till the end to uncover the top spot. Share your guesses in the comments, and if this sparks your wanderlust, like, subscribe, and watch more journeys like this. Number 10. Cambodia. Have you considered what makes Cambodia a hidden gem for Americans? Why might its warm smiles and ancient wonders draw you in? Let's think. Locals are famously friendly, often greeting visitors with genuine hospitality rooted in Khmer culture. Americans get a visa on arrival for $30, lasting 30 days and easily extendable, perfect for exploring without hassle. Safety is good in tourist areas like Siem Reap, home to Angkor Wat, a UNESCO site with stunning temples from the 12th century. Phnom Penh offers bustling markets and riverside vibes. Cost of living is low. A meal costs $3, a hotel $20 per night. Expat communities thrive in beach towns like Sihanoukville, with English widely spoken. What about the beaches in Koh Rong or elephant sanctuaries? Ponder how Cambodia's recovery from history fosters openness to foreigners, including Americans seeking adventure. Is it the mix of affordability and culture that welcomes you? Reflect on why this ranks at 10. Perhaps its smaller size compared to others. Number 9. Malaysia. What draws your mind to Malaysia as welcoming for Americans? Could it be the diverse cultures or modern ease? Let's reason together. Malaysians are known for politeness and multiculturalism. Malay, Chinese, Indian influences create a tolerant society eager to share festivals like Hari Raya. Americans enter visa-free for 90 days, ideal for long stays. Kuala Lumpur boasts safe, clean streets with icons like Petronas Towers and Batu Caves. Penang's street food, a UNESCO heritage, offers cheap eats at $2 to $5. Cost of living, apartments $300 per month, healthcare top-notch and affordable. Expats love Langkawi's beaches or Borneo's rainforest for wildlife spotting. English is official, easing communication. Safety ranks high with low crime for tourists. Why might Americans feel at home? Think about its stable economy and U.S. ties through trade. Is it the blend of city buzz and island calm that invites exploration? Consider how this edges over others in diversity. Number 8. Singapore. Ever pondered why Singapore shines as a safe haven for Americans? What role do its rules and innovations play in hospitality? Let's explore. Singaporeans are courteous and efficient, with a global mindset welcoming diverse visitors. Americans get 90-day visa-free entry, extendable for work or study. The city-state is ultra-safe, with low crime and spotless streets. Walk freely at night. Attractions include Gardens by the Bay's futuristic domes and Marina Bay Sands' infinity pool views. Food hawker centers serve cheap, tasty meals like chili crab for $5. Cost of living is higher but value-packed. MRT transport $1 per ride, healthcare world-class. Expats flock to its English-speaking environment and job hubs in finance, tech. Why do Americans thrive here? Reflect on strong U.S. alliances and multicultural festivals. Is it the seamless blend of East-West cultures? Question if its modernity makes it more appealing than rural spots. Number 7. Taiwan. What makes Taiwan a thoughtful choice for American visitors? Could its democratic spirit and kindness spark connections? Let's reason. Taiwanese people are renowned for helpfulness, often assisting strangers with smiles rooted in Confucian values. Americans enjoy 90-day visa-free stays, great for immersion. Taipei's safe, vibrant streets feature night markets with stinky tofu at $2. Taroko National Park offers hikes amid marble gorges. Cost: meals $3, hostels $15 per night. English signs aid navigation, and U.S. ties like tech trade foster warmth. Expats appreciate healthcare and bubble tea culture. Why might it welcome Americans? Think about shared values like freedom. Polls show 70% positive views of U.S. Is it the mix of tradition, temples, and tech? Taipei 101? Ponder how its island beauty and low crime invite deeper stays than flashier neighbors. Number 6. Vietnam. Have you imagined Vietnam's energy welcoming Americans? What heals old wounds into friendship? Let's think. Vietnamese are resilient and friendly, eager to share stories. Many young locals speak English and admire U.S. culture. Americans get A visas for $25, 30 days entry. Hanoi's safe old quarter buzzes with PHO at $2. Halong Bay's emerald waters and caves are UNESCO magic. Cost of living low, beer $1, rooms $10 per night. Expats love Ho Chi Minh City's cafes and beaches in Phu Quoc. Safety improved with low theft. Why the warmth? Post-war reconciliation via trade. Polls show 70% favor Americans. Is it the street food or motorbike adventures? Reflect on how history turns to hospitality, making it more inviting than isolated spots. Number 5. Indonesia. Why does Indonesia capture hearts as a welcoming spot for Americans? What elements of its islands create that inviting pull? Let's ponder. Indonesians shine with genuine friendliness, especially in Bali where smiles greet you like family, rooted in Hindu-Buddhist harmony. Americans enjoy 30-day visa-free entry, extendable for longer adventures. Jakarta buzzes with markets, while Bali's beaches and Ubud's rice terraces offer serenity. Explore Borobudur, the world's largest Buddhist temple, a UNESCO gem from the 9th century. Costs stay low. Street food $1 to $2, guest houses $15 per night. English spreads in tourist areas. Safety is solid in popular spots, though watch for traffic. Expats adore the 17,000-plus islands for surfing in Lombok or diving in Raja Ampat. Recent 2025 surveys rank it high for expat satisfaction due to warm locals and U.S. tourism growth. Is it the volcanic hikes or cultural dances? Think how diversity makes it more embracing than uniform lands. Number 4. South Korea. What sparks South Korea's warm reception for Americans? Could shared history and pop culture bridge connections? Let's explore. Koreans show respect and curiosity, with 79% positive U.S. views from alliances since the Korean War. Visa-free 90 days lets you dive in. Seoul's safe, tech-savvy streets lead to Gyeongbokgung Palace, rebuilt from 1395. Jeju's volcanic trails and beaches beckon nature lovers. Affordable eats, bibimbap $4, hostels $20. English apps and signs simplify travel. Expats thrive in English teaching or tech jobs. 2025 data shows rising U.S. visitors for K-dramas and BTS trails. Why the hospitality? Ponder military ties and cultural exports like kimchi festivals. Is it the Hanok stays or high-speed trains? Question how innovation blends with tradition to welcome more than quieter neighbors. Number 3. Japan. Have you ever reflected on how Japan's blend of respect and innovation creates a welcoming atmosphere for Americans? What aspects of its culture might encourage deeper connections? Let's explore together. The Japanese practice omotenashi, a deep-seated hospitality that anticipates needs with grace, and surveys show about 73% hold positive views of the U.S. due to long-standing alliances. Americans can enter visa-free for 90 days, perfect for thoughtful travels. Imagine wandering Tokyo's efficient, safe streets to see the iconic Tokyo Tower, or venturing to Kyoto for serene Zen gardens and over 1,600 Buddhist temples. Costs remain reasonable. A bowl of ramen around $5, capsule hotels $25 per night. English is increasingly available through translation apps and signs in major areas, while low crime rates allow peaceful exploration. Expats often find joy in the seasonal festivals like Hanami under cherry blossoms. In 2025, with a recovering tourism sector and cultural exchanges booming, why do you think this harmony draws Americans? Is it the Shinkansen speed or the quiet tea ceremonies? Ponder how such politeness sets it apart from more boisterous destinations. Number 2. Thailand. What draws your curiosity to Thailand as a haven of smiles for Americans? How might its easygoing spirit foster a sense of belonging? Let's reason step by step. Thais embody Mai Pen Rai, a relaxed philosophy that extends warm welcomes without judgment, making it a top choice for visitors. Visa-free entry for 30 days, with simple extensions, invites unhurried discovery. Picture Bangkok's glittering Wat Phra Kaew temple complex or the tranquil beaches of Krabi with limestone cliffs. Affordable delights abound. Street pad Thai for $2, beachside huts $15 nightly. Safety is high in tourist zones, and English is widely spoken in cities like Chiang Mai, home to ethical elephant sanctuaries. In 2025, post-pandemic recovery sees surging U.S. tourism, bolstered by strong bilateral relations. Expats cherish the vibrant Loy Krathong festivals and low living costs. Why does this joy resonate? Is it the flavorful tom yum or the full moon parties? Consider how this accessibility and kindness elevated over stricter locales. Number 1. Philippines. As we reach the top, what makes the Philippines stand out as the most inviting for Americans? Could its heartfelt community and familiar language be the keys to unlocking this warmth? Let's uncover through questions. Filipinos live by bayanihan, a spirit of mutual aid that treats strangers like kin, consistently topping global friendliness indices. Americans enjoy 30-day visa-free stays, easing heartfelt connections. Envision Manila's historic Fort Santiago or the pristine waters of Siargao for surfing. Simple pleasures are cheap. Halo dessert, $2, island guest houses, $10. With English as an official language, spoken by nearly everyone, communication flows naturally, aided by shared U.S. historical ties from the early 20th century. In 2025, enhanced travel links and expat communities highlight its appeal, with low crime in resort areas. Why number 1? Is it the vibrant Sinulog festivals or the underwater wonders like Tubataha Reef? Reflect on what you've learned. Does this resonate as your ideal welcome? What insights did this journey spark for you? Which country calls loudest? Like if it inspired, subscribe for more discoveries, and thanks for exploring with me.